Want to turn your Qlik Sense dashboards into powerhouses of cumulative performance analysis? Let's dive straight into calculating year-to-date values. First, make sure your data is loaded and Qlik Sense recognizes your date field. If your date field isn't automatically recognized, you may have to manually change the data type of the field. Now, let's create a visualization. We'll use a straight table, but a KP object would work to add your date field as a dimension if you're using a straight table, so you can see each day. Next, we need to create our YTD measure. Here comes the magic. Create a new measure. Use the sum function combined with set analysis. The expression should look like this: sum $year equals year today, date less than equals today's sales. This expression calculates the sum of sales where the year matches the current year and the date is less than or equal to today. Dynamically updates as time passes. And that's it. You've successfully implemented year-to-date calculations in Qlik Sense. Now you can filter, analyze, and gain valuable insights into your cumulative performance throughout the year. Go forth and analyze.